All right, guys, I am running down my Note 9 reviews for these cases. So we're gonna pop this on here, the also famous Bolt series. You get the lanyard, obviously, and they give you a tempered glass because that's how they do over here at Zizo. Pop this in. This just works, man. There we go. Yeah, there we go. That's what it's gonna look like. I don't know if I'm a fan of this transformer head up at the top, but I guess they had to make out some kind of design. You do get that famous kickstand, and this is the Bolt series, man. And you get obviously the belt clip. Zizo Wireless does it. It's so weird. This feels thinner. I have this same case for my Moto E5 Plus, and it feels bigger on the Moto E5 Plus. Very strange. Let's get it off here. All right. Remember to look for a big, massive giveaway online somewhere on my channel or Twitter for Galaxy Note 9 accessories, cases, tempered glass, you name it. Look for that giveaway because it is coming. And here is the Static series. I mean, they're just one of the few companies that give away tempered glass on most of their cases, which I could appreciate. This one actually looks pretty cool. But kickstand. Boom. Can't have a Note 9 without a kickstand. Ports and everything are cut open, cut out, ready to go. Lip protection. I like this blue for some reason. But if the phone was black, it would look even better. I don't know. It's your man Jay. Quick video for Zizo Wireless, Galaxy Note 9, 2 cases they sent me over. All right, see you in the next one. Take care.